Hey everybody, it's Cliff here. Thanks for stopping by, and my edit of Luminous, the Symphony of Us, is just about finished. I'm currently doing some YouTube upload testing right now. I've actually uploaded 6 different copies of it, trying to kind of get around YouTube's compression as best I can, and I've also fixed a bunch of bugs with it along the way. So anyway, it's all done now. It was produced in 8K and recorded in my deep space audio recording technology. Yeah, I shot it over 7 nights, and I have 11 camera angles in the edit. So we'll be doing a live stream in Premiere with a live chat as well on probably Wednesday or so of next week. But definitely check the description down below of this video to give you the exact time. I think Wednesday night next week will probably be. But let me know what you think of this in the comments down below. I do have a little teaser, a little 1-minute clip, so to give you kind of what's your appetite anyway, to give you an idea of what it's going to look like and sound like. So let me know again, and if you like what you see, share it with your friends and family, and give me a thumbs up if you like it. And that's it. Without any further ado, this is my little teaser for Luminous, the Symphony of Us.
Begin to recognize the music in others, trading notes and improvising. Music becomes play.